Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make kadala curry. This is a very delicious side dish that best goes with puttu. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pressure cooker and to this add 2 teaspoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow them to splutter. When they splutter, add a teaspoon of chopped ginger. Then add few curry leaves and 1 green chilli slit. Then goes in 1 onion finely chopped. Give it a good mix. Then to this add a tablespoon of chopped tomato. Saute well for a minute. Soak 1 cup of black chickpeas overnight. Drain off the water, clean wash it and add it to the cooker. Mix it well. Now let's add the spices. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chilli powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Then to this add 2 cups of water. Mix well and allow it to come to a boil. Now it's nicely boiling, so close and cook for 5 whistles in medium flame. Allow the pressure to settle on its own, then open and check. The black chickpeas is well done and ready. Again on the flame and adjust the consistency according to your preference. Finally off the flame and add some chopped coriander leaves on top. Now a delicious kadala curry is ready to enjoy. Serve it nice and hot with puttu and banana and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and a quick recipe. So do try this kadala curry recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.